All right, boys and girls and parents, I'm going to show you here in this video how you can access your comments and feedback on your work. So in Edsby, you have been submitting your exit tickets, or I've been putting in your quizzes grades or your group work grades, and with that, I'm not seeing a lot of people able to see what I've said about their exit ticket. So I'm going to show you how I can log in as a student. So I'm going to use Renee here. So we're logging in, and you can see his screen looks like this as he comes in. On this left-hand side, this is all the classes that Renee is enrolled in. So not all of these are going to be used. You can see that I've added the name ignore to it because those are just things that are technical in the school world. You can see here that Renee has some updates to his classes since he's last logged in. He has some messages that have not been viewed yet. And on this right-hand side, he has some assignments that have not been turned in. As you can see, anything here, it will give you some of the details of that assignment. If it has this box here with the submit, it's asking for that task to be submitted directly into Edsby. So he can view the assignment further. If there's any attachments here, it will help assist with what the task is. And you can see here where it says message to teacher. That's where he would answer his exit ticket. I want you to know that every single thing that you are doing in your ELA class online is very similar to what you would do in the ELA classroom in school. So I'm not making anything harder. It's just mimicking what we do in class. Every single day we read part of a text together as a model. Then the students read it independently, and then they're asked to answer a question on a sticky note. So just like the question would be asked on the sticky note, it's being asked here, and here they would answer it. For some reason, Edsby has been duplicating videos. And I can't figure out why that is doing that. And I also want to state here that Edsby is in elementary school is not, its purpose has never been to be e-learning. We use Edsby as elementary teachers to input grades. So the fact that it's being used at this capacity is very difficult and for all parties. So we're all learning as we go. So here I'm going to show the ELA class. So he has 6 announcements, or 6 postings that he has not seen yet. If he wants to get into the class, he can just click ELA. But what we're specifically looking at is we're going to look at these new results. So we're going to click here, and this is going to allow us to see what feedback he has gotten. So first, it says the teacher has not posted any grades for this class. Well, we're going to ignore that, and we're going to go here to assessments. And as you can see, it says what he has submitted or not submitted. It will show first work that was past due, and then it will show work that is coming up. You can see here it has this little message cloud, and this will show any feedback that I have provided. So at first, we did not have a response. Then it got turned into not done. So the grade got removed and it became a not complete assignment. If there is a completed assignment, you will see that I have commented there. So as you can see, it would show everything that I have done with that assignment. And he can submit right from this page. I advise all of my students to make sure that they are watching the model, independently reading, and then applying the exit ticket. Every single thing that we are doing in our classwork is intentional. I would not give an exit ticket that would not be addressed in the pages that they're reading. So this question can be answered in these pages, whether it's from pages I have read or pages that the student has read independently. So here, this is the assignments that are being submitted through Edsby. If you need further clarification on how to complete the assignment, you can go into the class, going back to the home page, going into the class, And there's something called the journal. And the journal is a weekly to-do list that you will utilize in order to structure your day. So the journal is over here on this left-hand side. It tells you what you need to do for the week. There is a check-in. You would click and it would take you to another page. There's directions. There's the model with the exit ticket, the model with the exit ticket. It shows how to get to a video of our book we are reading and the quiz that goes with the book. Students are working on iReady. And then in the classroom, we are in groups based on our learning needs. Your child is aware of their group letter. This is something we use every single day. And they are expected to do their group's assignments. So if your child is in group D, they are not doing group A, B, C, D, or A, B, C, or E. They're only doing group D. And if for some reason they've forgotten what group they are in, they are more than welcome to message me. The other thing is we have our social studies project. This is something that they can work on each day or each week. It is due in May. Hopefully we will be back in school to work on that together. So there are multiple places to access their assignments. This here is going to be a condensed what do I need to do for the week. In the center will be the assignments that they need to complete for their exit tickets. And then if they know that they need to go back into, say I sent them a message, hey Renee, I'm missing day 1. Renee can click day 1 and he can find exactly what needs to be done here. Everything is laid out. If day 2, day 3, chapter 1, if it loads, and chapter 2. If they have missed the previous week of instructions, and my computer is freezing right now, but if they missed the previous week of instructions, they would simply go here to week 1 and it will give them a to-do list. However, all of the assignments are listed here on this left side as well. I hope this tutorial has helped. And now it's loaded, and it's loaded probably a million pictures of my face. So I hope this has helped. I am always available to assist with your child or you through a Zoom video where I can walk them through how to locate it. But we are starting week 3 of e-learning, and many of our students are more than capable of finding these things with just a little bit of effort. But I am available through messaging, through text message, a phone call, Zoom, whatever it needs to be. Just let me know.